What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. Take this good ass energy. Take it. Today we're just gonna make a crazy trap beat all from scratch inside of FL Studio. All my drum sounds and my FL Studio skins are in the description, so feel free to check that out. Let's dive right into it. Let's get it. Today I feel like using a MIDI and then tweaking it. I've been using this workflow for a whole week now because like sometimes my inspiration is just all over the place. That's why when you use a MIDI, it's just like it just guides you in like a direction. So let's just check out this MIDI pack from Canary Jules. Super fire. Like this bro, I've been using it all week and it's just like a really good starting point for your melodies. So I want to go for like maybe some minor chords. So I'm just going to drag it in here. Ah, bro, this one is beautiful. Oh my days, bro, this has so many good like midis. It's just crazy. So make sure to go check that out. The link is in the description. It also comes with like loops, melodies, and bros, it's fucking crazy. Shit. Yeah. Let's put like a sliding note right here. Let's open up Serum, make a counter melody with this one. Let's pitch everything down. Whew. I'm just going to follow the bass notes. Wait a minute, we need to sample that delay. Let's open up Edison. So we're just going to hit record, play. And pause. That delay I want to put inside of the melody as well. So drag that in there. Hey. Oh my days. That's beautiful. Yo! beat is insane. I got no words for this one, bro. Like, this beat happened so natural, bro. It's crazy to me. Make sure to go check out this MIDI kit. It's super fire. The link is in the description. Make sure to check out my drum kits. Make sure to check out my FL Studios kits. It's out there. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Big shout out to Sample Shifts for sponsoring this video. Really means a lot to me. Make sure to follow them and follow me on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.